Here goes nothing.
Okay, cut. Arrête, hein. Excuse me, what are you doing?
What does it look like? I'm acting.
Yes, you are acting, but you are not an action hero. I need you to bring it down a notch.
Okay, so you want me to be more like the exhausted kind of type, tired?
Yes, can you do that?
Yeah, totally, man.
Okay,
I got you. Yeah.
You got it?
I
okay,
got it.
parfait. Let's go.
Goddamn. I should have listened to Sony just split the freaking treasure, man.
Cut.
What?
Did he just say treasure? You do realize this is not Naughty Dog's Uncharted, but it's The Last of Us, right?
The Last of who?
The Last of Us, you know, the famous zombie-like game.
Oh yeah, totally. I was just trying something new, give it a bit of a twist, but that's not what you're going for. Okay, yeah. So what do I do then?
You are a scavenger, you scavenge. You know, scavenge for stuff.
What kind of stuff?
Like food and resources and...
Or scavenge for treasure.
No!
Fine. Who does shoot then?
Mostly the bad guys and zombies.
Well, I can work with that.
Right?
Yeah, okay, totally.
Can you promise me?
I promise.
Good. So I want you to focus on that clickety-click sound on the background and be mindful and aware and scared. Can you do that?
I can do that.
I don't know why I work with YouTubers.
Wait, what? What was that?
Action!
What do you mean why, man? You told me there's zombies around here. I'm not gonna take the chance, I'm just gonna John Wick everybody.
You are not fucking John Wick!
Oh, what do you want from me, man? I'm trying to save your movie.
Listen!
I'm listening.
Up until now you've done a great job being Chris Connor.
Nice.
But I don't want you to be Chris Connor. I don't want you to be you.
Oh, I get it now. You don't want me to be Chris Connor.
Yes.
So you want Chris Evans? Chris Hemsworth, right? No. Chris Pine?
That's it! I quit! Oh, merde!
Anyways, let's Uncharted it.
One more!